FastComet is a well-established web hosting provider recognized for its balanced mix of performance, reliability, features, and customer support. Let's take a closer look at its advantages and disadvantages. Pros: speed and performance. FastComet employs SSD-based servers, global data centers, and advanced optimization technologies like Cloudflare CDN to ensure your website loads quickly for visitors worldwide. Excellent customer support. FastComet is known for its exceptional, round-the-clock technical support. Their team is responsive, knowledgeable, and goes the extra mile to assist users. Reliable uptime. FastComet demonstrates impressive uptime guarantees and consistently delivers on that promise, ensuring your site is consistently accessible. Features: FastComet plans offer generous features even at their entry levels, including daily backups, free website transfers, free domain for the first year, and malware protection. Global data centers. Choose from 11 data centers worldwide to host your website closer to your target audience for optimal performance. Cons: renewal, prices. While initial pricing is attractive, FastComet's renewal costs can be slightly higher than some competitors. Limited entry-level storage. The most basic plan might offer limited storage space for those with larger or resource-intensive websites. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.